students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, show that sine inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square is equals to 2 times sine inverse x, where x is in between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 upon root 2. So to solve this question, here we are seeing a pattern 2 times x into root of 1 minus x square. And if we'll put x as a sine theta, then 2 times sine theta and 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. So 2 times sine theta cos theta, some pattern we are seeing of sine 2 theta, right? Sine 2 theta formula. So what we will do, we will assume let x is equals to sine theta. So if x is equals to sine theta means sine theta is in between minus 1 upon root 2 to 1 upon root 2, correct? Then theta will be between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, correct? Now if x is equals to sine theta, now let's start from left hand side. LHS is sine inverse of x 2 times x, sine inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square. So this will become sine inverse of 2 times, instead of x we will write sine theta. So sine theta into root of 1 minus sine square theta, correct? And 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, and root of cos square theta will be cos theta. So this will be equals to sine inverse of 2 times sine theta cos theta, correct? So this is the formula of sine 2 theta. So we can write it as sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So we can't write it directly as the 2 theta because sine inverse is outside. So whenever sine inverse is outside, the domain should be inside our final range. Means the range of sine inverse of something is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Means this 2 theta should be inside minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Let's see if it is satisfying or not. If theta is between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, so 2 theta we will multiply everything with 2. So this will become minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Yes, now it is in the range of sine inverse of something, correct? So this we can write directly as 2 theta when 2 theta is in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now theta, if x is equals to sine theta, means theta is equals to sine inverse of x, correct? So if theta is equals to sine inverse of x, this will become 2 times sine inverse x, which is our RHS. Hence proved. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.